Kosher.com presents No Hassle, No Mixer Doughnuts. In a large bowl, combine 4 cups of flour, 1 1/4 cup of warm water, 2 1/4 teaspoons of dry yeast, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of sugar, and start mixing with a wooden spoon. Add in a pinch of salt. Cut a half a stick of margarine that's at room temperature into small chunks and add it into the dough. At this point, you can start kneading the dough by hand, but be careful not to add too much flour, as a stickier dough results in fluffier doughnuts. Cover the dough and let rise for 2 hours in a warm spot. When the dough is ready, sprinkle flour over a rolling surface and place the dough onto it. Roll it out to a 1/2 inch thick rectangle. Using a knife or pizza cutter, cut squares of about 2.5 by 2.5 inches. Separate the squares and sprinkle additional flour if necessary. Cover and let rise for 45 minutes. Heat a pot of oil over medium to high heat for about 10 minutes before frying. At this point, you can optionally use your thumb to punch a hole through the center of the donut. Slip the dough into the hot oil and fry in batches of 3 to 4 at a time. Sprinkle with confectionery sugar and enjoy. Roll out your dough to a 1/2 inch thick circle. Using a glass cup or a cookie cutter, cut out round discs. You can use a small cup to make mini donuts like these. Let it rise for another 45 minutes, and then fry just like you would the square donuts. Sprinkle with confectionery sugar and enjoy. For even easier donuts, just use leftover pizza dough or dough that you got from your local pizza shop. Be sure to use extra confectionery sugar to keep it sweet.